I'm Bob Hendricks, CineNow.com, and I'm here with Anthony Gramani, who is president of PMI. Anthony, each of your installations is unique. Why don't you give us some of the highlights of this one here in Irvine, California?
Well, Bob, this is a very comfortable 12-seat theater with a starlit sky and with speakers all concealed here in the front. The center speaker is behind an acoustically transparent screen. The left and right speakers are actually behind these drapes that are also acoustically transparent, so the sound can shoot right through them. The walls are a combination of beautiful woodwork and stretched fabric that's acoustically transparent. I keep saying that, it's really important. And behind all that decorative fabric are hiding the acoustical treatments, the loudspeakers, the subwoofers, the wires, all of the stuff that makes the system work.
Well, this is an installation that was done and you didn't get involved right in the beginning. Why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
This is an example, actually, of having to do it twice. When we got involved in this project, this theater was already installed. There was already equipment thrown onto the walls in this room, but it looked very, very different. It didn't perform right because it wasn't correctly engineered. Proper thought was not put into how to integrate the equipment to the room and how to place the seats and where to put the projector, and the results were very substandard. So we took a lot of that equipment, reconfigured the room, had to do some construction to rebuild essentially the environment, and now the room is absolutely fantastic.
Why don't you give us a couple examples of the acoustic treatments, say, for example, around the projector?
Right. So the projector is actually in its own enclosure to keep it quiet. There's a little port glass that's optically neutral so that the picture can actually go through it, and it's concealed. You don't see it, you don't hear it.
Okay. And you have all the equipment for the whole house right in the rack over there?
Right. There's the main electronics brain for the entire house. This is a house with multiple zones. There's multiple viewing spaces. Everything's centralized in neatly arrayed racks behind that door.
Well, thank you for the visit. It's been a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bob.